Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분 I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I save the songs for you. When you feel down and bitter, shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how with everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, nah, nah.
Hi guys. Say hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. It's bath time. Welcome to this video. Hey guys, so finally DK is sleeping and I want to go have my bath now and be productive in any way that I can be today. So welcome to this video and I hope you're enjoying the ride so far, you know. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And I wanted to talk to you guys about my acne and some other things that's changed in my body since I had. As you can see, if I stand like this, you think I have a clear skin. Like you think that my skin is glowing, like I don't have a problem on my skin. But if I go a bit back, you can see my forehead is very, very bad. I've been so insecure about this. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Like whenever I wear, maybe I wear a wig or I wear anything at all, I just cover it to this. Worse than this, actually. It was worse than this, and I've been treating it with so many. I've bought so many things, like so many things. My skincare routine now, I never miss a day for anything. Like I never miss a day, and to be sincere with you guys, it is actually working. Like I've seen so many different. This place was worse than this before. Then here, I don't know. I mean, there's something I'm doing on my face which I'm really praying that it works. But if it doesn't, I'm going to go to a dermatologist because this is getting out of hand. I'm tired. Anyways, problems that came with my childbirth, because you guys know on this channel I have one of the clearest skin. You guys know. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to go back to. Just this my forehead, and thank God it is actually only my forehead. I think it was my whole face. I don't think I can even endure till this month. Like, this is 7th month since after I had my baby. So yeah, I'm still other skincare, like so many other postpartum issues, so many that I even want to talk about. So if you want me to make the video, please let me in the comment section, and I'm going to make it and upload for you guys. Like, some things you need to know, things I wish I knew before having my baby, all those kind of stuff. Okay, so let me come freshen up. I'll see you guys. You guys, I'm done, and today I want to wear my hair out. Like, nice. I made into three, sorry, four. My forehead is so bad. I'm not ashamed to share it with you guys. That's what I'm showing you guys today. There's one thing about all this postpartum body thing. People don't really share it on this YouTube channel. Like, you see somebody after having a baby, 2, 3, 4, 5, they won't even like show you what their body looks like, what you can do to make your body not look like that, and stuff like that. And I don't really know why. Maybe because for me, I think like they feel like they are not yet, they're not comfortable with their body or something, so they rather keep it private, and they don't want people to talk trash in the comment section or something like that. But I don't care, because I've already made up my mind I'm going to be doing this video for you guys, because I watched something about concerning all those things that happened to me. I don't think I will finish watching that kind of video and go and make that kind of mistake. So I'm going to be filming the video for you guys. A lot changed, a lot. Like, childbirth changes a lot. And that's how I'm going to be doing it when I have, and before the end of this week, I'm going to do it for you guys. So leave a comment down there. Tell me whether you're really interested. Even if you're not interested, I'm going to upload the show. Yeah. Oh. Guys, it's so sunny today. Like, the sky is so blue. I think I should go show you guys. Like, look at that. So sunny, and the sun is not even that hot, unlike other days. you know this kind of weather is the weather you have to take Instagram photos, Instagram pictures. But I'm not in that mood today. I'm going to go and get something to eat. Yeah, so be right back. You guys, I just went inside the kitchen now, and there's rice, but there's no stew. I had to settle for something else. Although there's small stew, so I just eat the remaining. But I'm not yet full. So I just got bread and sardine with a bottle, the smallest bottle of Coca-Cola actually. And guys, I just miss those days when you don't have strength. Like, you just wake up, you don't want to cook anything, you just go out, buy food, come back, eat, drink water, sleep. Like, before I get married, make sure you're ready for the stress that comes with it.
Need no luggage, nah 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 nah. No need no stress, girl, nah 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I say there's songs for you when you put down in bed.
Better, like, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I just wanted to talk about like this part, like that part where you just don't want to do anything in a day, like you just want to stay on your bed without anybody stressing you, like you just want to wake up, maybe even sleep throughout the day, like don't enter the kitchen, stay messed up for the rest of the day, like that kind of feeling when when you're still single and you don't need to cook anything. Even if you want to cook, and say someone can get food for you downstairs from the restaurant nearby or anywhere. Back then when I was in school, when I was still single, whenever I'm coming back from school, I would buy, and then I don't want to cook anything, I'll buy food. There's this woman that she knows how to cook, she can cook, like she's very very good. I'll buy a plate from there, buy fruit that is already chopped, like you just get back, pull off and eat. After eating, you just lie down and sleep. It's not that hard. Like sometimes I used to miss those days, but I can't do anything about it. Because this man, he's so grumpy when you don't give him food. Men are always like that. They're always grumpy. I've not eaten anything. And once they're hungry like this, you think that all the worm in their stomach are fighting each other. Ah! Jesus. Anyways, that's that for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment in the comment section of anything you want to comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Please subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. I beg you guys. I'm going to cry. Please subscribe. I want to just subscribe to my channel. I don't want to pour my emotions. I don't want to pour my emotions to you guys, because that's my sister. Please ignore. I don't want to pour my emotions here, because you guys might actually, I don't want you guys to see that part of me. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.